Gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We did see it converge once again, and we're approaching back to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, but it appears to be approaching to positive MACD territory as we're seeing increase in the green MACD bars. As with the trade idea, my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $37.06. My sell target is at $44.52. My stop loss is at $35.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $47.84. My sell target is at $39.13, and my stop loss is at $51.58. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 31% chance to climb between 0 to 13%, an 8% chance to climb between 13 to 25%. To the downside has a 31% chance to fall between 0 to negative 13%, and another 31% chance to fall between negative 13 to negative 25%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.